But I'm back. Excuse my 12 years of slave hair, but we finna make me turn me into a baddie. And guess what I done? Another review. Yeah, a 24-inch wet and wavy. Ooh, don't hurt him. Don't hurt him. So yeah, I got the transparent lace. I'll put the link down in the description box. It's already pre-plucked. Let's see what that look like. Let's see. Let me try to put it on. Yeah, you see it. I'm doing too much, but yes, it is a 24-inch wet and wavy. I'm excited about putting this on. It's gonna be really nice. It's giving very much so scalpiana, you know. So you're gonna wait 20 minutes for this to dry. Do you see? They go, okay. Yeah, see my little robber nigga mask. That's how you know it's gonna be good. Probably seen in my previous videos that I do 3 layers of glue. My favorite is the Eben. I've been loving Eben. They've been doing their thing. Eben been, okay? I like the spray, I like the glue, I like the lace tint. They doing the damn thing. They finna take over. Goodbye, got to be. But I'm doing a thin layer of glue. This ain't really that thin. Look a little thick to me, but it's there. Then after this layer, I got one more layer to do, and that'll be 3 layers. You feel me? I'll be back. Hey, do y'all remember that one? It's like an under dragon, under dragon. That's what I look like. I got a little peanut head, but that's okay. But you guys see how this layer is drying clear? You want to wait till it's clear before you add another layer. You feel me? You feel me? Maybe don't, maybe do. I don't know. I don't care. But it's getting clear. I was using the blow dryer, but I think I look sexy bald head, you know? Not all the girls can pull this off, you know? You see? You see? I need a kiss. Maybe not. I don't know. I need to brush my teeth. But yeah, I cut off the ear tabs of my wig because they be hurting. It be hurting. It be hurting. Just that simple. I don't want a headache. I don't know about y'all, but I don't want a headache. So I cut the little part that go like right here and right here. That's how I keep from getting a headache wearing a wig. You feel me? But I'm gonna have a headache this time. This motherfucker point. And I got on 2 caps. If you can't tell, I got a cap underneath here, and then I have a cap on top of here because I was being lazy. I didn't feel like braiding my hair. Don't be like me. Be better than me. Or if you can't braid, get somebody else to braid. I know how to braid, I just didn't feel like it. Yeah. Hey, y'all ever notice how crazy the bitches look on the wig cap? Why the fuck you like? What the fuck is that? What? Oh my god. They need to do a new picture, like real bad. Real bad. Real bad. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all a trick. If you don't have a hot comb, let me show you a trick. Bing! Bong! So, don't, you know, be careful with this, you know. This could be dangerous. But I know what I'm doing, so kinda. Not really, but, you know, when you're doing this at home, be safe. Don't be like me. Don't be like me. Be like Mike. So yeah, I'm just trying to get it flat. What better way to get it flat than a iron? You see how flat that is? Do you see how flat that is? Huh? Yeah. 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 Okay, I play too much. But right now, I'm just letting it sit. So, is that middle party? Or is it not? Is it giving? I don't know. I wasted a whole cap. Oh well. I need to clean up now. Clean up. Cleaning up the mess. You feel me? I low-key want to style this hairstyle, but I don't know what to do. I don't know if I want to do that one hairstyle where it looks like this and then you get the claw clip and you go like this. I don't know. Let me see something. So I cut it off into sections like this. Can I get a drum roll, please? Yeah. 24 inches. Yours came in a pack. So, it's reveal time. Thank you guys for watching another video. I'm going to show you guys my outfit and how I styled my outfit with this hair. I think it's really good quality hair. It's like minimal shedding. I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.